Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to show products by category in WooCommerce. Let's get started. So you can see in here that I have created a new page called Shop by Category. So in here, I also have my products right here. I have different categories such as winter, hidden, shirts, spring as well. So I can head over and then just add those particular categories. So in here, let's put in here name winter. And then let's also add another one from this case. So this will be classified as a heading as well. So let's add in here shirts, and then let's also add in here another category that we have, which is hidden or spring. So once you have added all your categories, head over and then add a new block. Click on this plus icon, search in here for short code. So let's click on it right here, and as you can see, it has been added from in there. So it's actually under winter. So what you can do in this case is to just head over and put the short code that I will show you. Head over and add the short code, which is products category equals winter. The winter is our category right here. So head over and add that, and also add those particular short codes as well in this. So I'll just head over and then duplicate them and add them down. And I will change this winter into shirts in order to accommodate the things that I have changed. Now, I'll head over and duplicate it again in order to accommodate the spring category that we have right here. So let me just edit it out real quick. And then once you have added all of this, head over and click on this publish right here in order to publish the changes that you have made. Now, on the view page, you can see now that we have this particular categories that is under winter. And now I have these categories under shirts, and now this category under spring. So that's the whole process. If you have found this such a helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.